How to crop images in PickU. Need to crop out extra space or focus on the best part of your photos? Let's crop image in PickU. Quick and easy. Tap the plus icon, tap on Edit, choose any photos from your gallery, pick one that needs a little trimming. Once your photo loads, tap on the crop icon. It usually looks like two overlapping corners. Choose your crop style. You can free crop by dragging the corner or use preset size like 1:1 ratio, 4:5 ratio, 3:4 ratio. Rotate or flip the image while cropping for extra control. Just drag the edge or zoom until it looks perfect. Tap the check mark or done to apply the crop. Cropping before adding filters or text helps center your photo and make edit look cleaner. Now tap save and your freshly cropped image is good to go. Neat, clean and ready for the spotlight. That's it. Cropping in PickU is super simple that make a big difference. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe for more easy editing tips. See you in the next one.